In this tutorial video, we are going to see complexation and protein binding in physical pharmaceutics. What is complexation? It is a coordination complex in the product of a Lewis acid-base reaction in which the neutral molecules or anions called ligands bound to a central metal atom by the coordinate covalent bonds. So the nature of the ligand, it is a simple ligand, include water, ammonia, and chloride ions. So it is common in active lone pair of electrons in the outer energy level. So these are used to form coordinate bonds with the metal ions. So all ligands are lone pair donors. In other words, all ligands function as a Lewis bases. So the ligands are the neutral molecules that bonds to a central metal atom or the ion. And this ligand act as a Lewis base electron donors, and the central metals they bound to act as a Lewis acid electron acceptors. Here the cobalt 3 complex containing the 6 ammonia which are the monodentate. So within the ligand there is a directly bond to the metal ion, and the ion is categorized as a donor atom. So a coordinate covalent bond is a covalent bond in which one atom supplies both electrons as a donor atom. So if the coordination complex carries a net charge, the complex is called a complex ions. So the compounds that contain coordination complex are called as coordination compounds, and the coordination number is the number of the donor atoms bonded to the central metal atom or ions. Coordination number. It can be identified by Lewis base, Lewis acid, or metal ion donor atom coordination numbers. So, importance of complexation. So, once the complexation occurs, the physical and the chemical properties of the complexing species are altered. These properties include solubility, stability, partitioning, energy absorption and emission, and conductance of the drugs. So, the drug complexation can lead to beneficial properties such as enhanced aquasolubility. Example, theophylline complexation with ethylene diamine to form from aminophylline, and the stability example inclusion complexes of labile drugs with cyclodextrins. The complexation can aid in the optimization of delivery system. Example, ion exchange resin, and affect the distribution in the body after systemic administration as a result of protein binding. In some instances, the complexation can also lead to poor solubility or decreased absorption of the drugs in the body. So the aqueous solubility of the tetracycline decreases substantially when it complexes with calcium ions, and co-administration of some drugs with antacids decreases the absorption from the gastrointestinal tract. So drug complexation with hydrophilic compounds also can enhance excretions. These complexes can also alter the pharmacological activity of the agent by inhibiting interactions with receptors. So, the complexation of a ligand with the substrate molecules can occur as a result of coordinate covalent bonding or one or more of the following non covalent interactions such as van der Waals forces, dipolar forces, electrostatic forces, hydrogen bonding, charge transfer, hydrophobic interactions. Ligands. So ammonia, which has a single pair of electrons as a basic group for bonding with a metal ion, is called as a unidentate ligand. So bidentate ligand is a two basic groups, ethylene diamine. Next, multidentate or polydentate. Here the ligand with a multiple binding sites having multiple binding sites. Example, polymers. If the same metal ion binds with two or more sites, the complex form is called as a chelate. Example, EDTA. Hexadentate ethylene diamine acetic acids. Then molecular structures. The molecular structure will be in linear, trigonal, tetrahedral, square planar, pyramidal, and octahedral. These are the molecular structures of the ligands. Next, chelates. Chelation is a process or formation or presence of two or more separate coordinate bonds between a polydentate ligand and a single central atoms. So, two geometrical forms. Cis isomer means two like ligands are at a are adjacent ligands. Example: alcohol dehydrogenase enzymes, which contains zinc, and the second one trans isomer. So here two like ligands are opposite to each other. Example: vitamin B12 and hemoproteins. So alcohol dehydrogenase uses two molecular tools to perform its reaction on ethanol. So the first is the zinc atom, which is used to uphold the position of alcoholic group on the ethanol. So second is a larger cofactor constructed using the vitamin niacin, which actually performs the reactions. So here chelation of cis and trans chelations. So the chelates means EDTA. It's a naturally occurring chelates from the chlorophyll, hemoglobin, and the albumin. So here the ethylene diamine ligand binding to the central metal atom with the two bonds. Next, organic molecular complexes. It consisting of const- uh, by holding together by the weak forces of the donor acceptor type or by the hydrogen bonds. Example: disulfiron, clomethazole, tolnaftate, charge transfer complexes, quinhydrone of salicylic acid, quinhydrone complex, butyrate picrate, 2:1 complex of the butyrene and picric acid complex. So, polymer complexes, caffeine genetic acid complex used in the chewable tablet formations. So, organic molecular complexes, reactions of dimethyl at 2,4,6 trinitroanisole. Here, the molar complex are the organic coordination compounds, and the secondary valence bonding weak donor acceptors are the and the formation of the salt or complexation, primary valence bonding, and charge transfer. These are the difference between the organic molecular complexes. And the reaction between the trinitrobenzene and the benzene molecule is an example of a charge transfer complexes. Here, the one molecule polarizes the other, resulting in the type of ionic interactions or charge transfer. So, polar nitrile groups of nitrobenzene induce a dipole in the readily polarizable benzene molecule, or called as a electrostatic attraction. So, these organic complexes or molecular complexes are so weak that they cannot be separated from their solutions as definite compounds with low energy of attraction and the bond distance greater than 3 angstrom. This reaction between the donor acceptor complex and trinitrobenzene and hexamethylbenzene. So the molecular complexes are complexes bound together by the van der Waals forces, dipole-dipole interactions, and hydrogen bonding, but lacking in the charge transfer. So here, weak donor acceptor complex are the molecular complex having are the charge transfer complexes. London dispersion forces and the dipole-dipole interactions are the resonance. Here we can see the some of the structures of the organic molecular complexes. So drug complexes, when the complexation of the drug polarized carbonyl groups reaction with acids and the nonpolar part is the insolubility in the water. So relatively positive center. So electrophilic or acidic nitrogen results in the dipole-dipole interaction in the caffeine complex. So caffeine plus organic acid anion more water solubles. Example complex with xanthine. So caffeine plus organic acids. So less soluble but mask the bitter taste of the caffeine. So these are the example of the complex of the genetic acid formulated in the extended release of the chewable tablet. So complexation of esters results from the hydrogen bonding between nucleophilic carbonyl oxygen and an active hydrogen. So the complexation of benzocaine with salicylates will decrease the bioavailability of the benzocaine, while its complexation with PG polyethylene glycol will increase its absorption. Next, polymer complexes. Polymer complexes means polyethylene glycol. Here, the polystyrene, carboxymethyl cellulose, and incompatibilities between the carboxyls, pluronics, and phenol with the stannic acid, salicylic acids, and phenols are due to their nucleophilic oxygens. Polymer complexes. Here PVP, polyvinyl pyrrolidine, binding with the benzoic acid and nicotine derivatives, increases phosphate buffer solution and decreases as the temperature is raised. So cross-providone binds with the acetaminophen, benzocaine, benzoic acid, caffeine, tannic acid, and due to its dipolar character and porous structures. Polyolefin container interact with the drug depends linearly on the octanol water partition coefficient of the drug, which can result in loss of the active components in the liquid dosage forms. So the dissolution rate of the ajmaline is enhanced by complexation with the PVP due to the aromatic ring of ajmaline and the amide group of PVP to in the dipole-dipole induced complexes. So incompatibilities in the suspension, emulsion, suppositories, and ointment may lead to precipitation, flocculation, delayed biological absorption, loss of preservative action, and other desirable physical, chemical, and pharmacological effects. So, other organic molecular complexes, queen hydrone complexes, picric acid complexes. So, these are used in the painful skin abrasions. Next one, inclusion complex. So, a class of addition compounds which the constituents of the complex is trapped in the open lattice cage-like crystals structure of the other to yield a stable arrangements. So this is of two types, channel type and layer type. Channel type is an example of deoxycholic acid and with other complexes, urea and thiourea complexes and starch iodine complexes. For layer type, intercalate compounds between its layer. Example is the clay montmorillonite light complexes. So clathrites having the crystalline in the cage-like lattice in which the coordinating compound is entrapped. So molecular size of the encaged component is important. So examples of hydroquinone crystals that trapped methanol, CO2 and HCl but not the smaller and the larger molecules. So warfarin sodium USP is a clathrate of water, isopropyl alcohol and sodium warfarin. And monomolecular inclusion compounds which involve entrapment of the single guest molecule in the cavity of the one host molecules. Example, gamma cyclodextrin accommodating mitomycin C and beta cedic accommodating indomethacin and retinoic acid include famotidine and tolbutanide inclusively in the dissolution rate. So cyclodextrin are used to trap, stabilize and solubilize sulfonamides, tetracyclines, morphines, aspirin, benzocaine, ephedrine, reserpine and testosterones. So amorphous derivative of the between this gamma CD and its complex with the testosterone allow an efficient transport of the hormone into the circulation via sublingual route. So water soluble diltiazem and the complex with the ethylated beta CD produce a sustained bliss effect. Famotidine complex with the beta CD, the oral liquid suspension bitter taste is suppressed. So these are the inclusion compounds. So next we are going to see about the protein binding. So binding of the drugs into the protein may facilitate the distribution of the drug into the body, and inactivation of the drug, retarding the excretion of the drug, then interaction of the drug with the proteins, displacement of the body hormones or co-administered agents, and the configural change in the protein. So formation of drug protein complex that is biologically active. Important proteins like albumin and alpha 1 acid glycoprotein will be leading in the protein binding of the drugs. So we can measure in the protein binding free fraction of or protein binding of the drugs through ultrafiltration, ultracentrifugation, equilibrium dialysis, chromatography, spectrophotometry, and electrophoresis. Metal ion coordinate complexes. Here, the ion complexes, the ability of the metal ion to coordinate with the and release ligands in some processes and to oxidize and reduce in other processes in biological system. So, example ion transport, cytochrome, photosynthesis, and respiratory system. Next, platinum complexes. Here, the cisplatin and the carboplatin complexes that have proved to be the most useful agent in the treatment of the cancer. So, the decrease of toxicity of the carboplatin and the activity against the cisplatin resist the tumors have lead to greater use of the carboplatin. These are the copper and cobalt complexes. These are the zinc complexes, important metal ion that is present in the many proteins, confers structures and the stability. So only metal ion found in the crystalline in insulin, present in the enzymes carbopeptidase and carbonic anhydrase. Toxic heavy metal complexes. Because of the presence of lead in the older paints and the water and that of the mercury in the thermometer, poisoning incidences, these metal ions are very common in the pediatric populations. So, lead and mercury toxicity, chelating agents such as dicalcium salt of EDTA and 2,3-dimercaptopropanol, also known as the BAL, are the British anti-levisate. So cyclodextrin complexes. One of the most important molecular complexes is the interaction between molecules and the cyclodextrin to form a reversible inclusion complexes. There are three types: alpha, beta, and gamma type of cyclodextrins. These are some of the summaries of the improvement in the properties of selected drugs compounds with the complexes with the cyclodextrin with its property and the drugs. Then ion exchange resins. So here the method of the complexation that is based on the electrostatic interaction between the surface bound ions on the solid particles and the oppositively charged ions in the aqueous solution. So ion exchange resins are organic polymer based on organic mineral particles with a positive or negative surface charge. So it is classified as a cationic exchanges or the anionic exchanger depend upon the types of ions that can be replaced. Next, cationic exchanger. It replaces the surface bond positively charged with a similar charged ions in the solution. And anionic exchanges, ion exchange resins are mainly used to purification and drug delivery purposes. Protein ligand interaction. So here the protein and the ligand drug molecule has to get interacted. So the interaction between the some small molecule such as drug and proteins important in the drug binding to the receptors and for the pharmacological activity. So enzyme substrate interaction in the catalysis, antibody antigen recognition, and interaction between the drug and protein in the plasma that affects the distribution profile of the body. So many of the interaction between protein and the low molecular weight compounds occur in the reversible manner according to the following equilibrium. Here we can see the equilibrium equations where here the P is equal to L gives the PL. So P is the molar concentration of the protein, L is the molar concentration of the ligand drug, PL is the molar concentration of the protein ligand complex. Here we can write as a Ka as a PL, uh, P divided by P plus L. So here the Ka is a measure of affinity between the protein and the ligand. So mechanism of the interaction. Here, the protein can interact with small molecules as a result of hydrogen bonding between donor and acceptors functional group in the amino acid sequence. So, different types of amino acids. Example: hydrogen bonding protein interacts with small molecules. Electrostatic interaction occurs between charged amino acids with oppositively charged ligand molecules. In van der Waals force, it occurs between the dipole-induced dispersion forces. And hydrophobic interaction, the interfacial phenomena that result of attraction between the nonpolar groups with the water molecules. These are the methods to be determined by the spectroscopic method, ultracentrifugation, gel filtration, and equilibrium dialysis. We can experiment the methods of the complexation. Next, plasma protein binding. So, human plasma is composed of 200 known proteins. Its function is to maintain the osmotic pressure between ICF and ECF, coagulation of the blood, immune reaction, transport of endogenous and exogenous compounds, function as enzymes or hormones. Since the albumin is a basic and acidic neutral drug with the primarily bind to the albumin, if the albumin becomes saturated, these drugs will bind to the lipoproteins. So the basic drug will be binding to the acidic alpha 1 acid protein. This is significant because various medical conditions may affect the level of albumin, alpha 1 acid glycoprotein, and the lipoproteins. These are the significance of the protein binding. Interaction between the plasma protein binding drugs after the systemic administration can have profound implication in the therapeutic outcomes. So, analysis of plasma protein binding. So, mathematically, analysis of plasma protein interaction is preferred to evaluate the binding activity or association constant and measuring the number of binding sites. So here we can identify some of the central metal atoms, the ligands, and the coordination number of the following coordinate complexes. Here the answers are given. The central metal and cobalt having the it is a ligand of ammonia and the coordination number is a 6. If the central atom is a chromium, the ligand are the water molecules and the coordination number will be the 2. If the central atom is a silver, the ligand are ammonia and the coordination number is 2. If the central atom is iron and the ligand are cyano and coordination number is a 6. Thank you.